Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a proper video on this channel, and honestly, a lot has changed. I've changed. 5 years ago, I stepped away from this channel to focus on building my balloon business. I'm at this stage in my business where I need to grow, and in order for me to do that, I'm going to have to pause this channel for a little bit. I just have way too much to do, and there's only one of me. Only one of me. So life has a funny way of slowing you down when you least expect it. Over the years, my balloon business became, and it still is, very successful. So much that I opened a warehouse because I couldn't fit one more prop in our home. It was insane. But a year ago, I decided to close the doors to our warehouse and slow down as I learned what true burnout really feels like. And I realized something huge. It's okay to start over. Thanks, baby. I've learned what it takes to heal, to hit the reset button, and to pivot when things don't go as planned. I'm back, ready to pick up where I left off, but with a new perspective. This channel isn't just about DIYs, balloon decor, or party planning anymore. It's about sharing the journey, the messy, real moments of starting fresh and walking through reinvention. So what can you expect from this channel now? Still DIYs and balloon garlands, but also tablescapes, room refreshes, creative routines, business chats, cozy blogs, and honest moments, 100%. This channel is for anyone planning a celebration or looking for party inspiration, but also for those of us who are embracing change. Whether you're pivoting, starting over, or just figuring it out as you go, I want us to walk together on that journey. So if you're getting ready to plan your next celebration or just need a little encouragement, I'm your girl. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I have to tell you, I have missed you. I've missed you. Have you missed me? Make sure to comment below. Let me know what's going on in your world, or just say hi, or let me know what you think of the new digs. This is a greenhouse that I built just for content. I'm very excited of all the things that we can do here, and I can just wait to share this new chapter with you guys. All right, until next time, bye.